Hello guys, I recently bought an Elgato HD60s and today I just bought a Blue Yeti mic, and when I plugged it in to use it with my Elgato HD60s, this is what it sounds like. Hello. One, two, three. So it has an echoing noise, and it's like a can't really explain what kind of noise this is, but it's really annoying, and I can't get rid of it. So if you guys know how to fix this problem right here, please leave it in the comments, or if you know a video on YouTube that helps fix this problem, just put in the link. A link in the comment, and I will check it out because I really need this fix. So I really appreciate it if you guys can help me out if you know how to do this. Alright, thank you.